I was looking forward to it. The speedboat was super fun, and my clothes would definitely get wet from the seawater. The only drawback was that because of the language barrier, I didn't know that we could ask the staff to help take photos or videos, so when we got on the boat, we didn't take any photos, only the ones we took. I have to go to another group of people. It was very good. Recommend staying in Naha since it's the central area and close to the shopping streets. Great first paragliding experience. The basic package is 60 meters altitude. After getting on the speedboat, the staff will introduce other altitudes and fees, including 120 meters and 200 meters. Most people will choose 120 meters. We were quite scared at first, but after seeing that the people in front of us all chose 120 meters, we decided to challenge and upgrade. From departure to the beginning of the experience, the whole process was very relaxing. The CP value is super high. You can drive into the parking lot and park in the yellow building near the beach. You can see the staff along the coast. They will wear blue clothes with their logo. Parking at the gathering place is very convenient. After boarding the boat, we will be helped to put on the equipment and explain. It is no problem if we do not understand Japanese. We can communicate in simple English. The atmosphere is very good and the equipment is very safe. The staff will help us take pictures. It is an unforgettable experience. Unfortunately, the order was cancelled due to bad weather this time, but we still assisted in refunding. I will definitely participate in the event again next time I have the opportunity. Although it's a pity that I didn't get to play it, the service of the staff was really good. I will definitely buy this trip again next time I have the opportunity to go to Okinawa. It's a good experience. The staff are friendly and can communicate in simple English. Lively songs are played on the boat at sunset. You can enjoy the view of the bay. It's worth a try. Although the service staff does not speak Chinese, they are still very clear with simple English and gestures. They are also very kind and patient when explaining to the children. I was very nervous for the first time to play. My husband bought an additional 60 meters on site for more excitement. Unexpectedly, I was only nervous when I first went up. When I reached the top, I was not nervous or scared at all. I could enjoy the scenery with peace of mind, and I could hear relaxing music even in the air. It was really a very special and happy experience. After the experience, you will be given a certificate at the end. It was worth it. We increased the rope length course from 60 meters to 200 meters on spot with extra charges. It was totally safe and thrilling experience. The boat experience can also enjoyed while waiting for your turn. Thank you Team Skywalker for the staff are welcoming and professional. There are 2 people of us. The rope was 60 meters long but we think it is not enough so we top up to 200 meters. The view would be much better. Thank you for the service. We enjoyed the parasailing a lot. Both staff are very friendly and jolly. My sister and son haven't had a motion sickness. We upgraded to 120 meters because my husband wanted to go higher and it feels so good. Smiley face emoji. The wind, speedy emoji, helps on lifting us more up. Smiling face with hearts emoji.